I'm
nah.
scared to shoot it.
You're scared to shoot it. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Swizz, and we are back with another video. We are here. Y'all know what we doing, man. It's time to shoot the new 300 Blackout. Yes, sir, skis. Damn. What's taking you so long? What's taking you so long?
I was tidying up things up in here.
Tidying things up. Tidying things up. We about to shoot the new 300 Blackout. I also brought another little EC9S. I'm gonna shoot that too, but the main reason we're here is for the 300 Blackout.
This is not giving 70-degree weather anymore.
Yeah, you looking real bundled up. Look how far my target is. I got my red dot on there. Don't worry about it. Just aim.
7 feet.
I'm gonna see how good my aim is for sure. That chat, we're gonna fire away. See how this 300 Blackout really shoots. Okay, that's far. We're gonna see how good that aim was. I felt like that aim was magnificent, I ain't gonna lie. Might come in fast. That's not bad. I was at 57 feet. That's the first shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so I missed 2. I had 10 in there. You don't want to shoot it? No? I'm putting this in the vlog.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. You don't want to shoot it?
I'm
nah.
scared to shoot it.
You're scared to shoot it? Nah. Yeah, so you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you got
These
2
are
up.
freebies.
Yeah, those are freebies. My gun was jammed, so he took a couple shots. Those are freebies.
That's cap. That was me.
Do 20 feet. I'm gonna be shooting the little EC9S. This is also new. First shots of the EC9S. This is a brand new gun. I got it for the low. A little off. Now it's a little off. We ain't gonna talk about that though. Come on, man. My aim is there. Alright, now it's your turn. What's going on?
The first combo scared me.
You're so scared. It's gonna come in fast.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
We got some work to do. We got some work to do. Yeah, that's fine.
If you have 9mm, shoot it.
Oh, alright.
If you want this advice,
So,
right? When you're holding it, try to keep your thumb down,
okay.
right? Just because I bought the shorter barrel version of this, I don't know why I did. So this is a blast shield, so it prevents from your fingers getting
Okay, okay.
So just try your best. Like up here, it's not a big deal. It's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
But right there is where you want to do it.
Man, appreciate that, bro. Nah, W Mans, he just came through and said I could shoot his gun. He just came through and let us shoot his gun. Bro, look at this. This is tough. You know I'm about to shoot this. You got the P320. He's a real one. Let me use his gun for the video. Fire.
He got 6 stones, he a brick. Once again, this thing, he don't get no he tryna leave some. Niggas know what happened about 49 when they breathe. Cuffing up my broken niggas on the teeth. Killing all the rats, robbing all the robbers. I'm real trapped from both sides. Alright, don't move wrong in this been a shot, son. Alright, when he swinging trench, you think he rocks me. Alright, Hulk stuff sound like it's fine. Alright, I'm with my name right on side. Alright, yee, lot of money, lot of cars, lot of drugs, yee, niggas talk, take his head clean off, yee, Molly water, yee, drug sage, yee, be harder, yeah, shake that ass, bleed high,
Day one, came to the range, shot the 300 Blackout. Bro let me shoot his guns, they were fire. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more content.